Welcome back to another tutorial video with WinCross Executive. Today you will learn how to create a report. First, log into your account. Click on Reports from your home page or from the tabulation menu. Choose your dataset and click New. Give it a name. On the left here, you will see your existing crosstabs and charts. We'll go ahead and add our education crosstab either by checking it and moving it over with our arrows, or like the chart, by drag and dropping it. Next, we'll add a label. Move our label to the top. This will become our title. Center align our text. Next, click on your crosstab to align it to the middle as well. And our chart, align it to the middle. Next, we'll add a dynamic data point. Data points are based off of components and are meant to run a set of logic and give you a single numeric result. We'll choose income, pick the top three, leave it at frequency, and create. The data point is similar to a label, so we'll go ahead and align our text to the middle. For the title of a data point, we have keywords. In this case, we have value and base. We'll keep it simple here. Value of base. This will give us two numbers in our data point. These options on the right are general report options. We'll add a simple filter just like we have shown in a previous video for crosstabs. Let's see what it looks like. Here we have our crosstab and our chart and our data point. And just like a crosstab or a chart, you can create a private link to share with your clients, and they can play around with the filters and rerun it. And that is how to create a report in WinCross Executive. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time.